We'll guide you through on how to add your Threads link in your Instagram account's bio. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the process is pretty simple. All you gotta do is open the Threads app. After that, click on the profile icon in the bottom. After clicking on it, click on Share Profile. As you can see, there's an option near my profile icon. Just click on it. And then you get the option to copy your link. So I'll just do that. I'll click on the copy link. It says copied. Now you need to go back and you need to open your Instagram. After opening Instagram, you need to again click on the profile icon in the bottom. And here you need to click on edit profile. And then click on links. Click on add external link. In the URL section, paste the copied link. As you can see, I've done that. And give it the title. For example, if you're adding a threads link, so just write threads. Click on the tick mark on the top. Go back, and that's pretty much it. As you can see, there's a link. Yeah, there you go. As you can see, there's my threads link, and that's pretty much it.